Okay, for 133, they want us to simplify. It does not say anywhere that we can leave in exponential form. So the 4 distributes in, right? So it's 3 to the 4th, x to the 4th, times x to the 3rd. This is for A. 3 to the 4th, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So that's 81x to the 7th. You cannot leave it as 3 to the 4th because it doesn't say that you can leave it in exponential form. Okay, for B, let's do B down here, right? First, I'm going to cancel whatever I can. 2 to the 4th and 2 to the 3rd leaves a 2 in the numerator. And 3 and 3 squared leaves a 3 in the denominator. So really not a whole lot of work on this one. We're left with 2/3 for that problem. And for C, we have 4 to the negative 3rd times 4 squared. And when we have that, we add the exponents, right? So it's negative 3 plus 2. So that becomes 4 to the negative 1, which is not simplified. So we have to write this as 1 over 4 to the 1st, and we don't write to the 1st power.